How to set a custom reply for the messages that you get in Facebook Marketplace. Now, if you want to set a custom message, you just simply need to open your Facebook app and tap to the Marketplace icon, which will lead you to your Marketplace. From here, tap to the option of Sell, and once you go to the Sell section, tap to this gear icon from the top right corner. And after tapping to the gear icon, you just simply need to look under more actions option and you will directly see the option of set a custom message. Tap to set a custom message and you can type your message which you would like to set in order to auto reply the queries from the buyers. Just simply set a good message which will hook the buyers to your marketplace profile and tap to save button after that. And this is how you can very easily create a custom message in Facebook Marketplace.